Hey everyone, if you only need certain pages from a PDF instead of the entire document, PDFsam Basic makes the process quick and easy. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to extract PDF pages using PDFsam Basic step by step. First, open PDFsam Basic on your computer. Once the program launches, click the *extract* tool from the main dashboard. Next, click the *browse* or add ** button and select the PDF file you want to work with. You can also drag and drop the file directly into the application. Now, enter the page numbers or page ranges you want to extract. For example, you can extract a single page, multiple pages, or a range of pages depending on your needs. After selecting the pages, choose the destination folder where the extracted PDF will be saved. It's a good idea to select a location that's easy to find later. Before continuing, review your extraction settings to make sure you've selected the correct pages and output location. Once everything is ready, click the ** run * button. PDFsam Basic will process the document and create a new PDF containing only the pages you selected. Finally, open the extracted PDF and check that it includes the correct pages and that everything appears as expected. And that's it. Now you know how to extract PDF pages using PDFsam Basic. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching.